Kevin of Ormond Garage in Ormond Beach, Florida, the iconic new hotspot here in Ormond Beach. Kevin is the entrepreneur and renowned owner of 2 other restaurants as well in Ormond Beach, 31 Supper Club, as well as The Grind. And we're here today to ask him, what is the concept of Ormond Garage and why do people automatically just love this place?
The garage is all about celebrating what this building is, and that's the link to our racing history from Ormond Beach. It's been here since 1919. There's a great story to tell behind our city and how our city grew up around racing on the beach. And this building is just the last piece of tangible evidence of that history. And I really just tried to tell the story.
That's excellent. And I'm here to vouch their drinks are delectable. The food here is out of this world, and Ormond Garage is somewhere that you do not want to miss out on. Aside from Ormond Garage, we also are here today at CO2 Meter because we are going to install our remote CO2 storage safety 3-alarm, the RAD 01026. It is critical for breweries and restaurants and is designed to protect employees and workers around stored CO2. So Kevin, why did you guys decide to go ahead and install a CO2 safety monitor here at Ormond Garage?
Well, above all else, if you're in the bar business, the first priority has always got to be the safety of your staff and the people inside the building, your guests. I think everybody should have one.
Since you've been in this industry for so long, have you ever came across any incidents or heard of anything too in the business, around CO2 and some fatalities?
I've been aware of some fatalities. I never had any personal experience, fortunately, but a lot of operators and businesses, they get older and things start to, you have leaks and you have little problems in the building, and it's nice to have something that can warn you. That could be a major hazard. Like I said, keeping your employees safe is our most important job.
Absolutely. Well, we're here today. We're going to show you a little bit of Ormond Garage, and we're going to show you how to install your very own RAD 01026. So stay tuned. All right, everyone, we are live in the Ormond Garage keg cooler. This is an area where our remote CO2 storage safety 3-alarm would be mounted anywhere where there is stored or produced CO2. So the first step is going to be to measure 18 inches above the floor, and the reason being is because CO2 is heavier than air. It's going to collect first at the ground. So we're going to want to make sure that our RAD 01026 is able to pick up any CO2 potential leaks that would occur at this point first. The first step is going to be to go ahead and drill a hole at that 18-inch mark for our mounting bracket. When we went ahead and drilled our holes, we're going to go ahead and mount the bracket with the screws. You should note that this is all included in your RAD 01026 box. We have our mounting bracket assembled to the inside of the keg cooler, and we're going to go ahead and simply slide on the sensor unit right onto the bracket. And there you have it. Now we have hardwired to our sensor unit here. Ben is going to go ahead and plug it in, and you'll notice that it is going to alarm. This is normal. This is just letting you know that the sensor is going along with the ambient air and that your CO2 safety monitor is ready to go. You'll see the green light, and once that's on, you are good to go. Thanks, Ben.